Is iMessage not sending or receiving messages on your iPhone? That can really be frustrating. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage not working on your iPhone step by step so you can get your messages back on track. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, let's reset your iMessage. On your iPhone, go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Go to Messages. Under iMessage, toggle this option off. Wait for a few seconds and toggle it back on. This will reset and restart the iMessage settings on your iPhone. Under Send and Receive, you can see the email address that is your Apple ID here. Make sure this email address is valid for you to send and receive messages. If this is not the email address registered to your Apple ID, you can simply tap on the email here, sign out, and re-sign in to the correct Apple ID. If iMessage is still not working, check to see if there are any latest iOS software updates for your iPhone. Go to your settings, tap on Software Update, and see if there are any new updates available. Once you have updated to the latest version, check your iMessages again. Lastly, you can force restart your phone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the side power button until the screen goes black and wait for the Apple logo to come back on. Once your home screen comes on, check if your iMessages are working again. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.